I will share about Lazada challenges as a top e-commerce platform in Asia and how moving to cloud technology can help. As we know, Lazada serves millions of customers daily. However, during big sale, even like 11.11 and 12.12, traffic surged significantly. This creates pressure on their current IT system, leading to slower website performance, service disruption, and loss of sale. The on-premise system they use today is not flexible enough to handle this sudden spike. Maintaining the system is also costly with high expenses for hardware, software, and energy that are often underutilized. Migration to cloud technology can solve this problem. The cloud lets Lazada scale resources up or down based on demand, saving costs with a pay-as-you-go model. It also provides stronger security to protect customer data and meet global standards like GDPR and others. Additionally, the cloud support faster development of new features using tools like automation and continuous update, keeping Lazada ahead in the competitive e-commerce market. In short, cloud migration ensures Lazada can grow, deliver better customer experience, and stay a leader in the industry. This case study explores how satisfied Malaysian customers with e-commerce platform. A survey involved 1,039 men and women in Malaysia found that 87.3% active use e-commerce system and 89% make online transaction at least once a week. This finding highlight how frequently Malaysia rely on e-commerce for their shopping needs. Lazada faced several challenges, but there are best practices to address them. Firstly, in terms of scalability, Lazada used tools like auto-scaling to efficiently manage changes in demand. Next, to ensure cost effectiveness, they utilize reserve resources for predictable workload. Additionally, security is a top priority with features like virtual private cloud, VPC, and firewall used to protect the system. Furthermore, development flexibility is crucial to maintain competitiveness by quickly launch new features. Finally, compliance with data protection laws such as GDPR and PCI DSS ensure customer data remains secure and protected. Next, PaaS or Platform as a Service is a cloud-based solution that helps Lazada create, deploy, and manage applications without needing to handle hardware or system update. It allows for faster apps development with ready-made tools and ensures security as the provider manages it. Platform as a Service also gives developer flexibility to work from anywhere, like home. However, it comes with some challenges like being logged into specific vendors, potential integration issue and other systems, and limited control over the infrastructure and software configuration.
The best deployment model for Lazada is hybrid cloud. It combines private and public clouds for flexibility, security, and scalability. Public cloud handles large traffic spikes during sales, events like 11.11 and Black Friday with elastic resources and pay-as-you-go pricing, ensuring cost effectiveness. Private cloud stores sensitive client data securely, ensuring compliance with PCI DSS and GDPR. Then, private cloud provides security, privacy, and control, while the public cloud offers scalability and performance during peak demand. Other than that, hybrid cloud enables smooth cloud migration and compatibility with existing systems. Lastly, hybrid cloud ensures Lazada delivers a secure, reliable, and efficient platform to its clients. Cloud service model for Lazada is Platform as a Service. PaaS is a cloud computing platform in which a third party provides the required software and hardware resources. These products allow clients to create, run, and manage commercial applications without having to maintain the infrastructure required for such software development procedures. Lazada, as a leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia, may use PaaS services to support its technology operations such as data management, analytics, and application development. However, specific information about Lazada's use of PaaS is not publicly disclosed. For high-level architecture, as can be seen, the base-level VMS are provisioned using current IaaS interface. In contrast, the PaaS interface uses configuration management tools like Ansible, SaltStack, Chef, Puppet, Vagrant, and many more to install and maintain the needed software solutions. Finally, the right appliance is supplied to the requesting user through a flawless virtual interface. Once the appliance has served its job, it is disassembled and removed.
I will explain about the component and service of platform as a service in cloud service model. There are 5 core components for platform as a service. First, for development tools, the most significant aspect of the platform as a service is the tools needed by engineers for software development. A source code editor, debugger, compiler, and other tools are required for authoring, delivering, debugging, and managing code. These developmental strategies may be presented as a framework. Depending on the demands of the customer, providers provide specialized tools, but a platform as a service model should fundamental include everything that developer would need to construct an application. Next, middleware functions similarly to an invisible entity such as software. In that, it allows people to interact with it. It serves as an intermediary between user-facing apps and machine operating system. Middleware allow application to interpret keyboard entries and mouse click made by users. For operating system, platform as a service provide any or all of the operating system required by developers and on which application operate. So the developer does not have to worry about using the most recent version of the operating system or updating it for security fix. As a result, platform as a service companies provide a critical component, the operating system. Besides, platform as a service enables developers to create, query, and maintain the database required to develop and deliver applications. And last but not least, platform as a service manage all infrastructure components including storage and servers when building and distributing application. Platform as a service vendor either controls server, storage, and physical data center or buy them from a third-party supplier. This allows development teams to focus on application development rather than infrastructure management. Let me move to hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud design mix public cloud, private cloud, and on-premise resources. A hybrid cloud allows data and application to be shared from many types of resources, allowing an organization to benefit from feature and capabilities scattered over multiple deployment types. Organizations use a hybrid cloud architecture to store their data and application in several locations based on workload requirement, regulatory compliance, technical capabilities, security, and cost. A virtual private cloud that runs atop a major public cloud provider such as Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud Platform is also a frequent component of hybrid cloud architecture. The public cloud component of hybrid cloud architecture may comprise infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service aspect. A hybrid cloud architecture also involves having tools, service process, and governance in place to help determine where different elements reside and how they are controlled, managed, and monitored. The core component that make hybrid cloud architecture work include hybrid cloud resources, connectivity across environment, virtualization and containerization, orchestration and automate provisioning, and unified visibility and control. Firstly, for hybrid cloud resources, a hybrid cloud require both public cloud and private computing resources, such as an on-premise data center and some private cloud capabilities. Second, the linking of disparate environment via multiple network connections serve as the foundation of hybrid cloud architecture. Virtual private network, wide area network, and application programming interface are all key technologies for facilitating communication. Hybrid cloud architecture use public internet service for private and hybrid cloud connectivity, such as AWS Direct Connect, Azure Private Link, and Google Cloud VPN to provide connectivity and data mobility across private cloud, public cloud services, and on-premise infrastructure. Next, for virtualization and containerization, hybrid cloud architecture abstract computing resources by utilizing virtualization technologies such as VMware and containerization tools such as Docker. Besides, orchestration and automate provisioning mean efficient management of resources in a hybrid cloud architecture is achieved through the orchestration and automation of provisioning. Management software platform help facilitate resource deployment across environment. Last but not least, the use of unified visibility and control capabilities enables hybrid cloud architecture to function properly. Centralized management consoles and platform enables organization to monitor and manage infrastructure and service across on-premise, public cloud, and private cloud environment.
The next one is cost analysis for PaaS. PaaS has transformed how businesses deploy and maintain applications with the promise of scalability, operational convenience, and cost efficiency. PaaS has attracted a diverse spectrum of organizations seeking to harness cloud technologies and shorten time to market. However, as these platforms have grown, many organizations have recognized that PaaS, while powerful, is not without flaws. PaaS solutions also come with some hidden fees, including vendor lock-in, data management and migration, unexpected downtime, and scaling for platforms like Heroku.
Risk analysis of potential costs. First, vendor lock-in is prevent all the long-term financial repercussions. Vendor lock-in happens as a result of the precious technical style offered by PaaS suppliers such as Heroku, which may use a specialized developer for application development. Second, data management and migration. Data operation are hard and cause to the technical challenges such as data migration and potential service disruption. Data management expenses include feed for storage, backup, and migration. Other than that, unexpected downtime. The cost of downtime is high of loss, readiness, and potential damage to client trust. Lastly, scaling. Unexpected cost increase during scaling are frequently the most obvious hidden financial strain. Scaling costs emerge with the auto-scaling technology. Automatically raise the do not count responsive traffic speakers, which can significantly increase most expenses. Cost analysis for a hybrid cloud architecture mix on-premises or private package. Technical with a service host on the public cloud such as Amazon Web Service or Microsoft Azure. A hybrid system has potential to cut your total IT running cost in the following way. The potential to cut running costs is very way. First, enable expenses. The hybrid cloud enable expenses to use the service and infrastructure of the right public cloud while maintaining other workload and private infrastructure. Over increase and fees. The hybrid approach let agency workload run as there are which need to move to public cloud. However, some workload may need agreement to work in the private part of the hybrid cloud. Comprehensive serving. Using hybrid cloud to store data on premises help the manage and show complaints. It can also reduce cost meeting complaints standard. Avoid refactoring. The hybrid approach let legacy workload run as they are. We should need the migration to the public cloud. However, some workload may need change the word of the private part hybrid cloud. The summary, we know that the hybrid cloud increases of the scalability of public cloud to manage traffic peak with the security of private cloud from sensitive customer data, offering cost-effective and complaint cooperation. And PAS is provided for rapid development and development. Although Lazada to invest quick and remain competitive, this combination not only reverse existence challenges but also position Lazada for sustainable growth, ensuring agility, security, and customer satisfaction in the dynamic e-commerce landscape.